And we are back to spread some cheer in the homes of people who are least expecting it. If you're watching us for the first time, here's a little sneak peek of what we have done so far. एक से भले दो और दो से भले तीन हम जा रहे हैं मिसेस रेनू ठाकुर के घर. They have no idea we are coming and they have no idea what the colorful surprise is. So without any further ado, let's see their smiles. So when we ask people to share the careful choices that they are making to ensure a better tomorrow for them and their loved ones, little did we know कि इतनी सारी कहानियाँ आएंगे and even better, इतनी interesting stories. Mrs. Renu Thakur's story stood out among them all. It was such a sincere, heartwarming tale and we could not help but fall in love with it. And so, we are here at their house to give them this colorful surprise. So let's go. Mrs. Renu Thakur?
Yes.
I'm here with a colorful surprise on behalf of Nerolac. May I come in?
Oh, yes, please.
Thank you. Hello, Mrs. Thakur. आपने Nerolac आज careful तो कल colorful की story हमारे साथ share की. We absolutely loved your story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
इसीलिए हम आज यहाँ आपके घर आए हैं आपको एक colorful surprise देने.
Wow.
So, are you ready to see what it is?
Yes.
Nerolac is celebrating its 100th year, and what better way to celebrate it than giving it back to the people who loved it and who have made it what it is today. And so the big surprise is that Nerolac is going to paint a room in your home.
Wow.
अब आप मुझे कुछ भी बोले उससे पहले let me tell you one thing. These are the times where you need to be extra careful. We completely understand that, and hence हम जो भी करेंगे we will make sure we follow strict safety protocols and maintain safety. So be rest assured. So बताइए कैसा लगा आपको ये सरप्राइज?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. सेफ्टी रूल तो चाहिए ही क्योंकि आजकल टाइम ऐसा चल रहा है.
Mrs. Thakur, please tell us about your entry for the Nerolac's Arch Careful to Colorful contest.
Yes, sure. My entry was that I have created special counter at door while entering home where I keep my belongings like belt, wallet, ring, laptop. I sanitize them. I again sanitize that counter and then I take bath head to toe, keep clothes in separate bucket.
Those are definitely great practices that you're following. Now it is time to see the Nerolac magic. We will take you through the entire process कि कैसे ये colorful surprise आपके घर में रौनक लाएगा. But सबसे पहले let's talk about safety. Here I'm not talking about sanitization, but हम बात करेंगे paint के बारे में. We will be using the Nerolac XL Virus Guard paint for your safety and protection. So the paint that we will be using is specially crafted for your protection. The Nerolac XL Virus Guard. The name exudes protection, doesn't it?
Yes.
What it does is, it reduces bacteria and viruses by 99.9%. इसमें है CO2 absorption properties which help to keep the air in your home clean. बस यही नहीं, it also helps to control humidity and odor. Protection के साथ साथ it also imparts an international appeal fabric finish. So, the effect of this is multi-fold. Nerolac's unique set of products don't just color but also care. So now I'll take your leave. I will go back and plan to do this in the best and the safest way as well. I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. तो अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं मिसेस रेनू ठाकुर के घर with my full team. Today is the day we will spread some Nerolac magic and cheer at her house. So let's go. Hello Renu ji.
Hello.
I'm back with my painting team. घर में आने से पहले, as you can see, safety has been taken care of. The entire team is in the safety kits. And now, time to sanitize our hands before we start the process. And we are doing that with the Nerolac hand sanitizer. Nerolac hand sanitizer is a WHO recommended formulation with 75% alcohol content. It kills 99.99% viruses and bacteria. Frequent use of hand sanitizers dries up our hands. However, the Nerolac hand sanitizer keeps your hands moisturized. We have something interesting for you after the painting process. But first, can we come in?
Yes, please.
So before we start the painting process, मैं आपको Nerolac XL वायरस गार्ड जिससे हम आपकी वॉल पेंट करने वाले हैं उसकी एंटीवायरल प्रॉपर्टीज डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना चाहती हूँ थ्रू अ टर्मरिक टेस्ट। सो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि साबुन के पानी में हल्दी डालने से साबुन के एंटीवायरल प्रॉपर्टीज की वजह से उसका रंग लाल हो जाता है, ठीक उसी तरह आई विल पुट अ पेस्ट ऑफ टर्मरिक मिक्स्ड विद वाटर on this sheet of paper, which is painted on one side with Nerolac XL virus guard and on the other side with a normal brand paint. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, the side painted with the Nerolac XL virus guard has turned red, indicating that it is an antiviral paint. आप इसे अपने वॉल पर भी ट्राई कर सकते हो। तो चलिए, let's start the painting process.
चेहरों पे खिली स्माइल,
पुराने कपड़ों में
छुपी है खुशियाँ नई सी,
छोटे छोटे पैकेजों में भी तो यार होता है धमाका बड़ा रे। जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो, दीवारों को जब सजाना हो, नेरोलैक नेरोलैक रंगों की दुनिया में आओ, रंगीन सपने सजाओ, नेरोलैक नेरोलैक।
While the work is in progress, how are you feeling?
Very excited.
I can't wait to see it.
That's amazing. So painting का process हो चुका है. The magic has been nicely spread across the room, which we will see soon. But जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, I have something interesting for you after the painting process is done. We have protected your walls with the XL Virus Guard paint. We will also be adding a layer of safety to the other surfaces in your room with the magical product that is Nerolac XL Multi-Surface Protection Sheets, which is developed using a Japanese technology called Shiki. It is truly a unique product and can be applied on a variety of surfaces such as wood, metal, plastic, acrylic, glass, masonry walls and stone and keeps it protected from 99.9% germs. It is not only antiviral and antibacterial but also helps absorb bad odor and control humidity from surfaces such as dustbins, shoe racks, washrooms, wardrobes, etc., leaving the surrounding fresh. The best part is, even when you remove it, it will not leave any stains behind and it has no odor of its own. Now that's some protection we could use, right?
Right.
Thank you for assuring us.
Finally, the moment of truth has arrived. Are you excited for the grand reveal?
Yay!
Here we go.
यार कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना डॉग?
हाँ मम्मा.
Renu ji, so please tell us how are you feeling? ये देखकर आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे तो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है. नेरोलैक ने तो मेरे घर पे 4 चांद लगा दिए. नेरोलैक एक्सेल वायरस गार्ड से ना सिर्फ मेरा घर पेंट हुआ है बल्कि मैं बहुत सेफ भी फील कर रही हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सुन के कि now you have your peace of mind at your home. So Charmi, how do you like your home now? कैसा लगा ये colorful surprise?
It's looking beautiful.
Thank you Nerolac for choosing our home.
It was our pleasure. Thank you for having us. And now with this colorful surprise, I will take your leave. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Mrs. Renu Thakur has been completely satisfied and also very happy with the colorful surprise that Nerolac gave them. And why not? After all, their story for Aaj Careful to Kal Colorful stood out and they truly deserve this cheer for doing all that they can by making careful choices today to ensure a better tomorrow. And that is all that we can ask of everyone. We all need to make careful and conscious choices today if we want a better and colorful future. Nerolac's Aaj Careful to Kal Colorful philosophy can make our lives better. And hence, let's all aim to work towards the same. Stay safe, stay careful, and goodbye till then.